In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Squarespace website builder in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or someone new to the world of website building, Squarespace offers a seamless and intuitive platform to create stunning websites. So, let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Squarespace website. If you haven't already, log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here is where all your website management happens. Look for the Create Site option and go ahead and select it. This will start the process of building a new site from scratch. When you decide to create a new site, Squarespace wants to ensure you're set up for success. So, it will prompt you with a few questions. These questions are designed to learn more about what kind of website you want to build, be it a personal blog, portfolio, or online store, among others. Take your time to consider your options, as these initial choices can help streamline the design process later on. After addressing these questions, you'll face the next big decision: choosing your starting point. Squarespace allows you to either pick from their selection of beautifully crafted pre-made templates or use their AI-powered designer to create one for you. Templates can give you a head start with professional designs that you can tweak as you desire, while the AI option offers a more customized approach from the get-go. Whichever option you choose, you'll soon arrive at the editing interface of Squarespace. This is where the magic happens. You're now in the editing space, where you can begin to truly make the website your own. Take advantage of the user-friendly drag-and-drop features to add various blocks, sections, and elements to your site. From the navigation menu to galleries of images and even content blocks, you can modify these to tell your story just the way you want it. Creating a visually appealing and functional website takes a bit of exploration, so feel free to play around with design elements and settings. Don't rush the process. Make sure that every detail aligns with your vision for the site. Once you're satisfied with your creation, there's just one final step you need to remember. Hit the Save button. This ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and is stored safely on the Squarespace platform. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've learned how to start building your very own website using Squarespace. With practice, you'll find that this process becomes second nature, allowing you to focus more on your content and less on the technicalities. Happy building!